afternoon all of you. I am back here for your next lecture. So today I am going to teach you chapter 7 in your Pensy book, use of a, and the. Okay, so I am here with the concept of a, okay, and the. This is chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 in your Pensy book, in your grammar book. Okay, so as you all know, there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Okay, so there are 5 vowels. So let's see where we will use a, where we will use and where we will use the. So it is there on your book, page number 41. Okay, see here we use a and an before nouns. Nouns मतलब name of the person, place and things. Noun is the name of a person, place and things. So before that we use the use of a and the. So let's see where to use a, where to use and where to use the. See here, article a is always used before a singular noun. See here, article a. A is always used before singular noun. Okay, so a is always used before a singular noun. So let's see what is a singular noun. Okay, what is a singular noun? For example, see here, if it is a picture of a chair and single chair is kept here. Okay, so what we will write here? A chair. What we will write here? A chair. Because this is an object and it is a single object. So before a single object, and the spelling starts with consonants. Okay, see here, a, e, I, o and u. These 5 are vowels. Okay, and except from that, other letters are consonants. So the spelling starts with consonants. In that we will write a. So it is a chair. Okay, it is a singular noun. After that, you can see here I am making a picture of a jug. Okay, so here also we will write a jug. Okay, so like that we will use a chair, a jug, and now I am making a picture of a fish. Okay, picture of a fish. So here also I will write a fish. So all the spelling starts with consonants. Okay, and they are singular nouns. That's why we are using a chair, a jug, and a fish. Okay, so look at the following pictures and understand the use of a. See here, in your book also it is given. The picture of a bulb is here. So here we will say a bulb. Okay, a chair, a jug, a fish, a goose, a horse, a dog, a kite, a man, a needle, a pencil, a refrigerator, a sharpener, a television, a utensil, a watch. So what we had seen here, article a is always used before a singular noun. मतलब कोई एक ऑब्जेक्ट होता है और जो स्पेलिंग्स कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होती है, in front of that we will use a. In front of that what we will use? A. Like this here, a chair, a jug, a fish. So a is always used before singular noun. Okay, now see here, always remember a is also used before words beginning with a vowel but having a consonant sound. See here also what they are written here, ki a is also used before beginning with a vowel but having a consonant sound. For example, A, E, W-E, U, a one-eyed, okay, so one. So the spellings that starts with consonants but having the sound of vowel, in that also we will write a. Okay, now see here, turn your next page. Use of an, use of an. Okay. Now use of an. Use of an. Okay, so see here, articles an is always used before a singular noun. It is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. You know how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. So the words start with all these vowels. In front of that we have to write an. Okay. For example, see here I am going to draw a picture of apple. So what is the spelling of apple? A-double-P-L-E, apple. So the spelling starts with vowel A. So here we will write an apple. Okay. Now I am going to draw a picture of an ant. So what we will say here? An ant. Okay. An ant. After that, ice cream. You like to eat ice cream? I also like to eat ice cream. So what is the spelling of ice cream? I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. So before that also we will use an ice cream. So see here also vowel A, here vowel I. Okay. So spelling starts with vowel. Now here see picture of onion. Picture of onion. Here also an onion. Okay, the pronunciation is onion. So spelling starts with O. So here also we will write an onion. Okay. So like that you have to remember that article an is used before a singular noun. It is used before a word that begins with vowels. What we had seen right now, that the words begin with vowels. In front of that what we have to write an. And the words begin with consonants. In that what we have to write in front of that? A. Now let's see where to use the. The. Okay. Before that we read some spellings on page number 42 where we will use an. See, an actress. The spelling starts with A. Okay. An apple. An ace. An ant. An egg. An eagle. An elephant. An envelope. An igloo. An ice cream. An ink pot. An onion. An orange. An ostrich. An umbrella. An x-ray. Now always remember, an is used before words beginning with a silent letter. For example, an R. See, always remember one thing, that some words are there, they are having silent consonant, silent letter, but it pronounced as a vowel. Like example, R. So here we will not say hover. We will not say hover. What we will say? R. So for that here we will use an R. Okay. After that you see here honor. So it is not honor. It is not honor. It will not pronounce as honor. It is honor. So here also we will use an honor. Okay. So here beginning with a silent letter, for example an R, an honor, in these words H is silent. In these words this H is silent. So R, honor. So like this we will read. Beginning with a consonant but having a vowel sound, for example an MP. Okay, an X-ray. Okay, now use of the, page number 43. In that page number 43, now we will learn use of the. Use of the. Okay, use of the. So in that what we will see, the is used before the names of rivers, that the things that are universal things, मतलब वो things जो होती है जो एक ही होती है पूरे यूनिवर्स में, जैसे रिवर गंगा, रिवर यमुना, रिवर गंगा भी एक ही है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, पूरे इंडिया में कहीं और नहीं है. लाइक दैट रिवर जमुना, हिमालयास, एल्प्स, ताजमहल, रेड फोर्ट, जो यूनिवर्सल थिंग्स होती है जो पूरे यूनिवर्स में सिर्फ एक होती है, उसके आगे हम लगाते हैं THE, द. ओके, जैसे द गंगा, द यमुना, द हिमालयास, द एल्प्स, द ताजमहल, द रेड फोर्ट, द सन, द मून. And holy religious book, the Bible, the books which are holy religious like Bible, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Guru Granth Sahib, in that also we will use the. Okay, so names of newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the guitar, the flute. In front of musical instruments also we will use THE, the. Okay, now see here. On page number 44, there is an exercise for you. In that you have to use a and. See, read the following words arranged in an alphabetical order. So let's see what we have to do in that. Okay, on page number 44. Okay. So here what we have to write, use of a and. Okay. So see here. Number 1, dash and hill. Okay. Now see here in page number 44, number 1 picture and hill. So the spelling starts with vowel and. So here what we have to write, a or an. Here we will write and because the spelling starts with vowel. So here we will write a and. Okay. After that there is a picture of a boy. So here what is written here? B-O-Y, boy. Here also we will use a boy. Because here what you have seen, a singular boy standing here. So here we will write a boy. After that see the picture of a cat. Picture of a cat. So here also we will write a cat. Okay, because C is consonant. A cat. Now dash duck. D-U-C-K, duck. So spelling starts with consonant D. Okay, so here we will write a duck. After that see here the picture of engineer. The picture of engineer. So what we will write here? An engineer. The spelling starts with vowel. So an engineer. After that spelling of fan. F-A-N, fan. So here we will write a fan. Okay, what we will write? A fan. After that picture of a girl. Picture of a girl. So here we will write a girl. Okay. After that house. Picture of a house. H-O-U-S-E, house. So here we will write a house. Okay. After that see drums are there. So drum is an instrument. Drum is an instrument. So here what I have written? Instrument. So here we will write an instrument. Okay, what we will write here? An instrument. After that picture of joker is there. J-O-K-E-R. So a joker. Okay, so first finish this, then we will do next. Okay, write this in your book. Okay, you had written this in your book. After that, see here, picture of kangaroo is there. Should I rub this? Should I rub this? So I am going to write here spelling of kangaroo. Here what I am going to write spelling of kangaroo. Okay. So here I am going to write spelling of kangaroo. So what we will write here? A kangaroo. What we will write here? A kangaroo. After that, spelling of ladder. Ladder means सीढ़ियाँ. Okay, spelling of ladder. So a ladder. What we will write here? A ladder. After that, mountain. Mountain. Okay. What is that? Mountain. So here we will write a mountain. Okay. After that, nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. So here we will write a nest. A nest. After that, owl. O-W-L. Owl. So here we will write an owl. Okay. So after that, peacock. What is there here? Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. So here we will write a peacock. What we will write here? A peacock. After that, see here, queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. So here we will write a queen. Ek rani. Okay, a queen. After that, see here, spelling of rabbit is written there in your book. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. So here we will write a rabbit. What we will write here? A rabbit. Okay. After that, spelling of soldier. Spelling of soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R. So what we will write here? A soldier. Okay. After that, telephone. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Telephone. So here we will write a telephone. What we will write here? A telephone. So complete this. Okay, in your book. Okay.
ये था.
Okay, you have completed this. Now after this, I am going to rub this. Okay, now write here. After that, now write here. Spelling of umbrella is there in your book. Umbrella. So before that, U is an vowel. So here we will write an umbrella. What you will write here? An umbrella. After that, see spelling of violin. Spelling of violin. So what you have to write here? A violin. Okay. After that, web. W-E-B. Web means makdi ka jala. Here also we will write a web. Okay. What we will write here? A web. After that, Xerox machine. Xerox. What is written here? Xerox machine. So in front of Xerox machine, what you will write? A Xerox machine. A Xerox machine. After that, spelling of yak. Y-A-K. Yak. So here we will write a yak. Okay. After that, zebra. Spelling of zebra. Here also we write a zebra. Now finish this. Okay. Now you understood where to use a and where to use an. Where there is a singular noun and the spelling starts with consonants, there we and where there is a singular noun but the spelling starts with vowels, there we will write an. Okay, so finish this, then we will move on page number 4, 5, 45. Now complete this first. Now see there in your book page number 4, 5, 45, fill in the blanks with a, an and the. Now what we have to use? We have to fill in the blanks using a, an and the. Okay. So now here F-I-L-L fill. Okay. I-N in, the, fill in the blanks. So what we have to use in these blanks? A, an and the. The. Okay, here we have to use this. See here. Number 1. We saw dash eagle in the sky. See here. What is written there? Number 1. Dash is there. And spelling of eagle is there in that. Okay, on number 1, the sentence is we saw dash eagle in the sky. So here we will write an eagle. What we will write? An eagle in the sky. Okay, number 2. Number 2, what is written here? Have you read the dash Bible? So what is Bible? Bible is a holy religious book. Okay, so here what we have to write? The Bible. Okay, I told you now that what we had read in the chapter, that in front of universal things like rivers, mountain ranges, historical buildings, natural bodies, religious books, newspapers and musical instruments, in front of that what we have to use? The. Number 3. Number 3, what is written here? I ate. Okay, the gap is there and egg is written there. So I ate an egg. What we have to write here? An egg. Okay, an egg and again dash is there and after dash sorry, slice of bread is written there. So here I add an egg and a slice of bread. मतलब मैंने एक अंडा और एक slice of bread खाया. So I add an egg and a slice of bread. Number 4. The dash revolves round the dash. The dash revolves round the sun. So what is written here on number 4? The earth is written here. So earth is a universal thing. So here we will write here the earth. Okay, what is written here? The earth. The earth revolves. Okay, the earth revolves around dash sun. So sun is a universal object. हम पूरे वर्ल्ड में, पूरे इंडिया में, where you have to see sun is only one. Sun is only one object on the sky. So here we will write thus. The earth revolves around the sun. So what we will use here? Here also the before earth and here also the before sun. Okay. Now number 5. On number 5, what is written there? I have dash bow and dash arrow. What is written there on number 5? I have. See here. bow and dash arrow. Okay. What is the meaning of bow and what is the meaning of arrow? Okay, let's see. Dhanush Baan. Okay. So arrow is Baan and bow is Dhanush. So I have dash bow and dash arrow. So what we will write here? I have a bow and a arrow. So in both of the blanks, what we have to use? A and an. Okay, I have a bow and an arrow. So finish this. Okay, now number 6. On number 6, what is written on number 6? I bought dash umbrella and dash pair of shoes. What is written there on number 6? I bought dash umbrella and dash pair of shoes. Okay, so on number 6, what is written there? I bought B-O-U-G-H-T bought मतलब खरीदा. I bought. Okay, dash umbrella. Okay, so before that what we have to write? U is vowel or a consonant? U is a vowel. So here we will write I bought an umbrella. Okay, what we have to write here? I bought an umbrella and and a pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. Okay, so here what we have to write? A. Here we will use. Okay, now write this, complete this first till number 6. Okay, now see here on number 7. You had completed till number 6. Okay, now number 7. Now number 7 is written here. What is written on number 7? Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. So on number 7 you have to write here an. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay. Now here number 8. Number 8. I have never seen dash igloo. I have never seen dash igloo. Okay, so what do you have to write here? I is an vowel, so here we write an igloo. Okay, number 9. What is there on number 9? He loves to play. He loves to play the guitar. He loves to play the guitar. Okay. On number 10, there is dash bird. B-I-R-D, bird in the nest. So here we will write a bird. Okay, now complete this till number 10. Okay, after that on the same page exercise C is there. Okay, on the same page exercise C is there on the same page. Okay, so what is written there? Each of the sentence has a mistake. Circle the mistake and rewrite the sentences correctly. Number 1, my brother has an eagle, and black eagle. So So here on number 1, what they have written? My brother has an black eagle. So here on an, black eagle is written there. So before consonant they have written here an. So this is wrong. Circle on that word an and rewrite the proper sentence. In that what you have to write? My brother. Okay, so here we have to write my brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother has a black eagle. Okay, so we will replace an and we will put circle on an, and what we will write here? A black eagle. Okay, and number 2. On number 2, the moon revolves around the earth. Here we will not say a earth. What we will say? The earth. So circle on a. Here a earth is wrong. You have to write full sentence and write here the earth. Okay. You have to write in full sentence in your book. The moon revolves around the earth, not a earth. What we have to write here? The earth. So write here T-H-E, the. On number 3, what is written here? A Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal, we will not write a Taj Mahal. See here what we have seen, that Taj Mahal is a famous historical building. Okay, it is a famous historical building, and in the whole world only one Taj Mahal is there. So it is a historical building. So we will not write a Taj Mahal. A Taj Mahal is wrong. A Taj Mahal is wrong. What we have to write here? The Taj Mahal. T-H-E, the. So circle on a and write here T-H-E, the on number 3, and you have to write in full sentence like this. Okay, don't only write like this, you have to write in full sentence. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. After that, number 4, the Times of India is a English newspaper. It is not a English newspaper. The Times of India, okay, the Times of India is an English newspaper. On number 4, circle on a and write here an. Okay. And on number 5, first you complete this. Number 5, okay. Should I erase number 1? Number 1 you had completed. And number 2, so I am going to write here number 5 here. A young woman meets a old man, not a old man. A old man is written there. Circle on a and write here an old man. Okay. Number 6. She ate a egg, not a egg. You will not write here a egg. It is an egg. Now complete this and you have to write in full sentence. Okay. See number D. Number D is there on page number 46. Look at the pictures and tick the correct answer. This is your homework. You have to do by yourself in your book itself. Now page number 46. This is your homework. Page number 46. This exercise you have to do in your book. It is your homework. Okay. So today what you have learned about? Where to use a, an, and the. Okay, so this today we had completed the exercise on page number 41 in your fancy book. So this you have to do in your book itself. Okay, bye. Have a nice